Hello guys, I'm going to teach you how to do a mail merge. Just follow my step. So you're gonna type, then after the title you put sir. This will be your title. First name, you're gonna put first name here. That's first name. Last name, this is my last name guys. Just follow my step. Sorry if I made a bit too much mistake here. Company, I did not think of any, so I'm gonna put Sopra. Let's not do that because it's so hard. I'm not gonna reveal all my address. Zip code. This is my zip code. Okay, so let's do. After that, you get into the second. Just follow my step. Last name and company. Sorry if I made too much mistake here. Let's do Barbie. Then after this, I'm gonna just gonna put this in Santiago. Sorry if I made a mistake there. Philippines. It's okay. Zip code is 8068. Okay, let's press this. Okay, just save it. Don't mind that. Okay, after this, just touch the greetings. Then this title. Gonna put title, then enter. Just gonna put this. Yes, this. Then after that, we're gonna this will be your this you save, press OK, and you're done. You are now done guys.